Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to boost a reel after it was already posted without starting over. So if you had posted any reel, now you want to boost it without just simply again posting it. You just want already posted video to get boosted. So I'll show you how easily you can do it. So first you have to simply open the Instagram app by clicking onto its icon. Once the app gets open, you will be onto its homepage. Now what you have to do is that you have to go to your profile. So for that reason at the bottom we have five different options. You just have to simply click onto your profile icon from the right bottom. As you click onto it, you will get into your profile. Now what you have to do is that you have to simply get that post that you would like to boost. You have to click onto this boost post option, but this says that this reel video can't be boosted. Now, the reason is that you have used the Instagram music and due to copyright issue, it will not allow you. So you have to simply get the video on which you have not used the Instagram music, but you can use music from anywhere else. Then you just have to simply pass on with these some of the options like use a Facebook ad account for Instagram ads. Don't worry, it's all okay. Then you can just simply set your goal. There are four goals available. You can choose as per your need. Then if you have created any target audience, you can use it. If you have not created, then you can just simply set it. First, you have to give it a name. So if you would like to use it again, then you can understand which one to use. Then you have to set a location and what is the minimum age for the people to watch your video. Then you have to set your audience. First, you have to set the age and you have to set the gender. And then you also have to make sure that you have added the interest. Interest should be related to your product or for what reason you want it to be there. Now it says that the location is not added, so we have to just simply set it again. You can just simply set a location where you would like your ad to be seen. Just simply select as per your choice, and after that simply go to the next step. Now this will just take a while and then it will take you to this page. Now we again have to wait and then click on next. Now you can set your daily budget and how long you would like your ad to run. And at the end you have to add your payment method. In payment method you just have to simply add details of your card, and after that just simply run it by clicking on I accept, and after that your post will be boosted. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment if you have any queries. Feel free to ask in the comment section below. And thank you so much for watching the video till the very end.